एक्चुअली आमकां डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस इंस्ट्रक्शन्स आयिल्ले कोविड वॅक्सीन लॉन्च जावपाचें आसा 16 तारखेर. त्या प्रमाणे आमी चड वेळ मेळूंक ना आमकां तयारी करपाक. तरी पूण वॉट एवर टायम वी आयडेंटिफायड अ प्लेस सो दॅट देर इज नो ओवरक्रावडींग. 3 सेपरेट रूम आनी तांकां ऑब्जर्वेशन रूम एक दवरला. एक 30 मिनट तांकां आमी वॅक्सीन दिल्या उपरांत ऑब्जर्व करतले आनी सगळें कितें बरें आसा जाल्यार मागीर ते आपल्या कामाक वतले किंवा घरा वतले. आनी आतां पर्यंत सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल चिकालींची तयारी सामकी स्मूथ जाल्ली आसा आनी आमचो प्रोग्रामींग सकाळीं आफ्टर PM's एड्रेस सुरवात केल्लो आसा. आतां पर्यंत 5 ते 6 बेनिफिशरीजांनी ऑलरेडी वॅक्सीन घेतलेलें आसा.
Government of India has launched today COVID vaccination. So all over India we have started right now. So we have got the Go Green and we have already started vaccinating now. First beneficiary has already received the vaccine, our MTA staff, Venkesh. So the vaccination, we will be vaccinating today 100 health workers. So first 100 will be done today from morning to evening time. So as soon as the beneficiary goes inside, he registers. He will be registered at the counter, one will be verified through the CoWIN app. Then he will go inside, receive the vaccine and he will wait for half an hour inside. So once half an hour he waits inside, we see for any adverse reaction, fever, any other symptoms. If he's all okay, everything is fine, we allow him to go. So the benefit of this vaccination, the most important aspect, why this vaccine is so important is 2 aspects. One is we want to cut the transmission. So person konak vaccine jar melta, he will cut the transmission of spreading it to someone else. So a person with COVID infection will not spread it to a person who has received the vaccine. That is the first purpose of receiving this vaccine, to cut the transmission. The second most important point is to decrease the severity of the infection. That is, a person who has a COVID vaccine who has received the COVID vaccine, if he gets infection, COVID-19, he will not get symptoms which are very, very, very severe. He will get a very mild form of it. So we want to prevent the complication regarding from the COVID virus. So a person with the vaccine will get a good immunity and his infection will be very, very less severe. That is the most important part. That's why vaccination is needed. Vaccination is a great step taken by the government. And I'm sure everyone will receive the vaccine when the time comes.
Vaccination Chicalim आमची start जाल्ली आसा. It has been smoothly started. The first dose is for all the health workers and all the frontline workers जे आसा तांच्या खातीर.
Okay, Indian, and it's a big honor and privilege for all of us. The Prime Minister Sri Kerala, and it is nice that vaccination has come to save us. And vaccination was long overdue, but we have to thank the scientists who found the vaccine. Number one. Second, the health workers who have taken it the first round, and we hope to be safe in the virus.